A is for apple. Apple माने सेब. B is for bus. Bus माने बस. C is for car. Car माने गाड़ी. D is for dog. Dog माने कुत्ता. E is for elephant. Elephant माने हाथी. F is for fan. Fan माने पंखा. G is for grapes. Grapes माने अंगूर. H is for hen. Hen माने मुर्गी. I is for inkpot. Inkpot माने स्याही की दवात. J is for juice. Juice माने juice. K is for kite. Kite माने पतंग. L is for lollipop. Lollipop माने बल्ला. M is for monkey. Monkey माने बंदर. N is for nest. Nest माने घोंसला. O is for orange. Orange माने माल्टा. P is for parrot. Parrot माने तोता. Q is for queen. Queen माने मलका. R is for rainbow. Rainbow माने कसा. S is for sun. Sun माने सूरज. T is for train. Train माने train. U is for umbrella. Umbrella माने छतरी. V is for van. Van माने van. W is for watermelon. Watermelon माने तरबूज. X is for X-ray. X-ray माने X-ray. Y is for yo-yo. Yo-yo माने yo-yo. Z is for zebra. Zebra माने zebra.